Hi, hello everyone. I am Sandamunda Pavi. I studying MBA at Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering, Bengaluru. Today we discuss about planning and collecting the data for research. Definition of research. Research is a systematic process of inquiry that aims to discover, interpret, or revise facts, events, behaviors, or theories. It involves the collection, analysis, and interpretation of data to increase our understanding of a topic or issue. Research can be conducted in various fields, including science, humanities, social science, and engineering, and it can take on different forms such as exploratory, descriptive, explanatory, or applied research. The ultimate goal of research is to generate new knowledge or validate existing knowledge in a way that can be communicated to and used by others. Planning and collecting the data for research. When planning and collecting data for research, it's essential to follow a systematic approach to ensure the validity and reliability of your findings. Here's a step by step guide to help you through the process. First one is define the research problem purpose. Clearly articulating the research problem sets the foundation for your study. It determines what you are trying to solve or understand. Actions. Identify the issue. Specify what problem or question your research seeks to address. Develop research questions or hypotheses. Formulate precise research questions or hypotheses that guide your investigation. These should be clear, focused, and researchable. Set objectives. Outline the goals of your study, which provide a roadmap for your research activities. Second one is conduct a literature review. Purpose. Understanding existing research helps you position your study within the broader field, identify gaps, and build on your previous work. Actions. Search for relevant literature. Use academic databases, journals, and books to find relevant studies. Analyze findings. Critically evaluate the findings, methodologies, and conclusions of existing research. Identify gaps. Look for areas that have not been adequately addressed or where conflicting findings exist. Frame your study. Use insights from the literature to refine your research problem, questions, and design. Third one is design the research methodology. Purpose. A well designed methodology ensures that your study is systematic, replicable, and capable of addressing your research questions. Actions. Choose research type. Decide whether your study will be quantitative, qualitative, or mixed methods. Select research design. Choose the appropriate design based on your objectives. Example, experimental, correctionality, descriptive, case study, etc. Determine data collection methods. Decide how you will gather data. Example, surveys, interviews, observations, experiments. Fourth one is develop a sampling plan. Purpose. A clear sampling plan ensures that your data is representative of the population you are studying, enhancing the generability of your results. Action. Define the population. Specify the group you are interested in studying. Select sampling method. Choose a sampling technique. Example, random sampling for representatives, stratified sampling to subgroups, conventional sampling for case. Determine sample size. Decide on the number of participants or units to include, ensuring it is sufficient to provide reliable results. Fifth one is create data collection instruments. Purpose. Well designed instruments ensure that you collect accurate and relevant data. Actions. Develop instruments. Create tools such as surveys, interview guides, observation checklists, or experimental protocols. Ensure validity and reliability. Test that your instruments measure what they are intended to and produce consistent results. Sixth one is pilot testing. Purpose. Conducting a pilot test helps identifying and Correct potential issues before the main study. Actions. Run a pilot study. Test your data collection instruments and procedures with a small representative sample. Collect feedback. Gather input from participants and observes regarding the clarity, ease of use and relevance of your instruments. Revise instruments. Make necessary adjustments to improve the validity and reliability of your instruments. Seventh one is collect data. Purpose. This is the stage where you gather the information necessary to answer your research questions. Actions. Implement plan. Follow your data collection procedures as designed. Ensure ethical compliance. Obtain informed consent from participants, maintain confidentiality and follow ethical guidelines. Monitor progress. Keep track of data collection to ensure it is proceeding as planned and make adjustments as needed. Eighth one is organize and store data. Purpose. Proper organization and storage of data are critical for accurate analysis and long-term accessibility. Actions. Code and enter data. Convert collected data into a format suitable for analysis, such as entering survey responses into a database or transcribing interviews. Secure storage. Store data securely to prevent loss or unauthorized access using password protection and backups. Ninth one is analyze data. Purpose. Data analysis allows you to interpret your data and draw meaningful conclusions. Actions. Choose analysis techniques. Select appropriate statistical methods for your quantitative data or thematic analysis for qualitative data. Perform analysis. Use software tools like example SPSS or NVO or manual methods to analyze the data. Interpret results. Relate your findings back to your research questions and objectives, looking for patterns, relationships and insights. 10th one is report findings. Purpose. Sharing your findings in a structured manner ensures that your research is understandable and useful to others. Actions. Structures the report include sections such as introduction, literature, review, methodology, results, discussion and conclusion. Write clearly. Use clear and concise language, avoiding jargon and ensuring your findings are accessible to your intended audience. Include visuals. Use tables, graphs and charts to illustrate key points and make data more digestible. 11th one is review and revise. Purpose. Peer feedback and revisions improve the quality and credibility of your research report. Actions. Seek feedback. Share your report with colleagues, advisors or peer reviewers. Revise accordingly. Make revisions based on the feedback received, clarifying points and correcting any errors or omissions. 12th one and last one is disseminate results. Purpose. Disseminating your result allows others to learn from and build upon your work. Actions. Choose dissemination channels. Select appropriate venues such as academic journals, conferences, presentations or online platforms. Prepare materials. Develop presentations, posters or articles tailored to your chosen channels. Share findings. Present your research at conferences, submit articles to journals and use other platforms to reach a broader audience. Conclusion. In conclusion, the process of planning and collecting data for research are fundamental to conducting a successful study. Proper planning involves defining a clear research problem, conducting a thorough literature review, designing an appropriate methodology, developing a robust sampling plan, and creating effective data collection instruments. Pilot testing these instruments ensures their reliability and validity, leading to accurate data collection. Thank you for watching.